Good morning. Today is my first Father's Day. Hindi ka mag-greet na? Hindi mag-greet?
Wala na tarong.
Happy Father's Day.
Ay, happy Father's Day! Jay! Pila na ka na yung mga mahal. Jay, nasa pa ba ka na yung mga mahal?
Kakas apa?
Ito na yung pangawa ni mo. Dito mo anong ipangwilik. Hindi mo biniyaan day.
Walay. Ang kaban akong gipang P6 CR.
Ito na yung kwan. Kasi matulpo tato ha. Abot panahon ha.
What's up? Karon, Father's Day. Na iniabot na rider sa gawas sa Mambalay. Ang natingala ko wala jud ko nag-order. Wala ko i-order. Unsa so na iniabot na duha ka package. Yung duha ka package na ni kay regalo niya. Father's Day gift daw. Ako, adyo ko kabalo kasi suludan ni. Oh, pag nag-open ako og regalo, so hindi ako unahon. Baho. Ito, trash bag! Trash bag yung regalo.
Wow. Cardo.
Mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap ang maging pogi. Mahirap ang maging pogi. Bang girls ay nakakagulo.
Pero okay lang, thank you.
Hindi ba pwede?
Next kay bugat. Audience ako. Excited ka, Abrihan eh? Yay! Excited ang baby! Ayan na ako. Ito na, Abre. Uy, duha siya. D-zipper siya, D-zipper. D-zipper siya. para kung mag-ulan. O giboton. Giboton siya para sureball. Good. Ito po, magawas na makita. Boom!
Jogo, ano mo yung mura magkakanang nag-apply, ha? Mura nag-apply ba ka ng tracer without ka ng COVID kuan ba?
PBE!
Kailan nag-COVID ka na?
Glay, salamat kay Glay ha.
Welcome, JJ.
Salamat kay sa pag-alaga sa akong anak. Salamat kay Glay ha sa pagiging maayong inahan. Okay, sa pagkutungan ni bataan ni. Salamat kay Glay ha. Being a good mother. And thank you, Winwin, for being a good daughter. Good girl lang akong bibi, ha? Good girl lang ka, ha? Smile! Good girl lang daw.
Mahal ko mo ba di Borean dito? Oo. Body Borean right. Body Borean left. Will change. It will change. Body Borean right. Body Borean Oh, extension. What? Suno?
Bit-bit. Pagkabarumbado.
Basulot lang. Okay. Yeah.
Amen. Happy Father's Day to you.
Ikaw, yung mga asawa, tagay pa, taga-taga ka na eh. Ha? Mislay ko, dura si mo. I don't give a shit, I don't give a shit.
It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something going on. But take your time, think a lot. Why, think of everything you've got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now I have to go.